From time to time, home inspectors from across the country submit to us some of their most ridiculous finds. And then we turn them over to our team to find out which ones were the favorites. So, have you guys figured out?
Some crazy ones.
You're going to love this one.
Oh, my goodness.
So,
I thought it was the arborvitae shooting through the roof.
okay, all I
vines.
see is if I was a chimney, that's my haircut. I'm telling you. Look at that.
Brings a whole new
Yeah.
meaning for us to
I
the
know.
green
So
monster.
there's a chimney under that?
There is a chimney under that, I can tell. Crazy, right? But most people would strip those vines right off and expose the masonry. But that, according to some studies, is actually protecting the chimney. So,
Yeah, but
who knows? Do you leave
stuff
it?
all around it isn't.
Well, I mean, that's a whole nother story.
The
But
study was from the American Arborvitae Council. So,
You think that one's good? Look at this. Now you got to really study this for a minute. So
Wow.
well, first of all, take your eyes from the inside of the house and look out to the deck. Look at the detail work and making those joints so
Oh, yeah.
tight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, staggered.
Yeah, and they staggered them out really nice, and they're really tight too.
By a
But
quarter inch.
you have a sliding glass door.
Yeah.
And you know you get a draft down there in the wintertime if the door's closed. Well, this door won't have a draft because they actually put the baseboard heat
you have to step over the
right
heat?
across. You got to step up and over the baseboard.
Is that what that is?
We
Get
should
a little
never
toasty on your way out.
we should never take pictures of your
actually, I
house,
like
Tom.
that. I like that.
What do you think was there first, the
Prepare
door
you
or
for
the
the
heat? Who
elements.
cares? Doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
maybe the heat. Maybe the
Absolutely
heat. You know, I never
ridiculous.
thought of that. Good one, Sonny.
Oh,
There's some
my
ductwork.
goodness.
It's a family show,
And you
right?
see that this is a pair of jeans.
Wow.
And I only have one thing to say about this.
What?
Okay.
Do those jeans make my ducks look big?
Gee.
I don't think.
No, but the insulation does.
It was the tacos. It was the tacos.
Unbelievable. What were they thinking with that? That's unbelievable.
They had to get the duct on.
All right, well, if you've got any ridiculous submissions, send them our way so we can have a little bit of fun at somebody else's expense.
Wasn't us.
Wow. Recycle, reuse.
What is that, 34, 42? What size are you?
I don't think.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.